So on the Stripe dashboard, you want to click on this plus icon around the top right of the screen. Then tap on payment link option over here. On this page, first thing first, you may choose whether it's a product, services, or a subscription that you are trying to sell or trying to get paid from. After that, you may choose your product if you already have any, and if not, you want to click on add new product right here. This tab will appear and you may add a new product. So you may add a name of the product or services, add a little description to make it more convincing, and then add an image if you want to get the customers have a more clear idea of what they are buying. Then, at the pricing, you may choose if it's a one-time pay by tapping on this one-off button. So your customer just have to pay one time and no other payment later on. Or you may also choose for it to be recurring, where customers have to pay at a certain time, like monthly or weekly. This is usually using for those who offer a subscription. Then you may insert the prices over here and the billings as you like. You may also change the currency of your product as you like. After you are good with everything, you can click on Add Product button right here. On this page, you may edit your quantity or add another products. You may also customize other options over here, which are more suitable for you. Last but not least, you may edit the preview of your payment link by tapping on this button to change the view on the desktop or on the mobile versions. And then just hit this Create Link button. And right here are your payment link. You may click on this button with page icon to copy your link. You may then check your own payment link in the customer perspective by going to the incognito mode of your browser and paste the link to open it, which will open up your Stripe payment link. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.